Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for makeup enthusiasts, the EcoTools Makeup Brush Plus Sponge Shampoo. If you're like me, keeping your makeup tools clean and in top condition is essential for flawless application. Stick around as we explore why this shampoo stands out as the best makeup brush cleaning solution on the market. First off, let's talk about what makes this shampoo a game-changer. It's not just about cleaning brushes, it's about doing it right. EcoTools has crafted a formula that effectively removes makeup, oils, and impurities without harsh chemicals.
It's paraben-free, phthalate-free, sulfate-free, and devoid of petroleum-based ingredients, making it safe even for sensitive skin types.
Using it is a breeze.
Simply wet your brush bristles, squeeze a small amount of shampoo, and gently massage it into the bristles to create a lather.
Rinse thoroughly until the water runs clear.
This weekly ritual not only extends the life of your brushes and sponges but also prevents shedding, keeping them looking and feeling like new. Don't just take my word for it, many users swear by this product. It's dermatologist-tested, hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and proudly vegan and cruelty-free.
EcoTools ensures that their products are never tested on animals, aligning with ethical beauty standards that we love to see. Let's talk results. After cleaning, brushes are left impeccably clean and soft, ready for the next flawless makeup application. Whether you're dealing with foundation brushes, eyeshadow brushes, or makeup sponges like the EcoTools Bio Blender, this shampoo is versatile enough to handle it all. Remember, clean tools mean healthier skin.
By removing buildup and bacteria, you're not only protecting your investment in brushes but also ensuring your skin stays clear and happy. Wrapping up, the EcoTools Makeup Brush Plus Sponge Shampoo isn't just about cleaning, it's about caring. If you're serious about your makeup routine and want the best for your brushes and sponges, look no further.
I highly recommend giving it a try.
That's it for today's review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.